So the story is, when I was younger, I went into this closet and the very back, it's a big closet, so I'm in the front right now, and the back is full of a whole bunch of stuff. I went in here while my sister was like sitting on her bed, because we do share a room, and I heard a knock on the wall, and I don't have no logical reason to explain it, because nobody else was upstairs. There is a closet directly across from here, but it's so small you can't even go into it, and it's full of stuff. Plus, nobody was up here. But that's really my only weird story that I have. That's what I'm going off of, though. Okay. I'm turning on the EMF. Yo. Okay, I want to make sure it's not because of my phone, though. Like, is that going off because of my phone? I don't know. It's not the light, is it? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna hold this here. Okay, it's green here. Okay. It's like what the? Is anyone here? Is someone there? There is also a light blinding me, so I can't really see into the rest of my closet. Maybe I should turn the camera. Is anyone here? Do you want to give me a sign? Make the EMF go to red. Okay, I changed the angle, but I have to hold the freaking flashlight. Is somebody next to me? It's hard to tell what it is. Is somebody here with me? You want to show yourself using the EMF? Is somebody in front of me? Are you behind? Are you behind me? Do you want to talk to me? Do you want to... That just went to red. Are you here? It went to red when I said you wanted to talk to me. Do you want to talk? It's like solid orange. Do you want to come closer? Can you come touch the device? You guys can't tell what it is. I'm tripping. That's spooky. Are you here? Can you come back and sit with me? Are you next to me? Hi. My name is Destiny. Did you come closer? I'm nice, I promise. Do you want to show me a sign that you're here? A sign besides the EMF? Are you touching the EMF? Are you trying to make it red? Can you make it red, please? Are you still here? Are you behind this curtain? Do you want to come closer? Come into the closet with me? Should I open the curtain? Do you want to come in here with me? Are you watching me from outside? You guys can't see it. Oops. Do you want to come into the camera with me? Come sit next to me. Can you come closer to the EMF? Almost. I seen it flashing. There you go. Can you come closer? Come sit with me. Almost. Can you turn it to red? It's like it's trying really hard. Use all your energy to turn this EMF red, please. You made it dark orange. It's blinking. Can you make it solid? Good job. You're almost to red. Can you get it to red? If you come closer, it'll go to red. Do you want me to move it closer to you? Oh, you're right here, huh? Are you looking at me? Can you give me a sign you're here? I know you're here. I see you on the EMF. But can you give me another sign? Do you want to turn off my flashlight? Remove the curtain? Maybe knock? Anything I can hear very clearly, so I'll know it's you. You did really good with the EMF. You're not in the closet. You're standing right here. Or sitting. I don't know. Maybe standing. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on. It's still the same. If you need more energy, you can drain it from the flashlight's battery. Can you make the EMF go red, please? Ooh. Oh, are you sitting right over here? Did you join me for the camera? Is there any other way you want to communicate with me? I'm gonna turn this off in a few seconds. It's your chance to make it red. Show me you're really here before I go. It's like the entire entrance, like the doorway. Are you just standing in the doorway? Can you get closer to the EMF?